It's January 14th, about 8 in the morning. We're getting a snow blizzard in Connecticut, 6 to 12 inches. It's pretty nasty out there, so I'm underneath the bridge. As you can see, the trees, how pretty they are, all the snow covers them. Pretty awesome. Now, as you can look up, look at that. How neat. Trees get covered all the way up. It's really peaceful. You can hear the vehicles coming over the bridge. It's so peaceful. You walk out in the woods, it's so quiet. Just hear the snow hitting the trees and the popping going on. Very nice, very nice. Hear the wind blowing in. Oh, here it comes. The wind's blowing in. Yeah, it's definitely. Just the other day it was 56 yesterday, and a few days ago it was 64. This global warming's really messing up. And then here we get a snowstorm after a day of 56 record high temperatures up here in Connecticut. Things are really messed up, man. This global warming, we're destroying our world, man. Peace out.